Sometimes a PDF has extra pages that you do not need. Students may want to remove blank pages or extra questions, and professionals may need to delete confidential or unnecessary pages before sharing a file. In this video, I'll show you how to remove pages from a PDF quickly and easily. Many online tools allow you to edit PDFs, but they require you to upload your file. For better privacy and safety, we'll use an offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor. You can download and install it from the link given in the description. Let's start. Open your PDF in Systweak PDF Editor. Now go to the Page menu at the top. Select the page or pages you want to remove from the document. You can select a single page or multiple pages. Once the pages are selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard or click on the Remove button at the top. If needed, you can choose to remove only the even pages or only the odd pages. You can also enter a specific page range if you want to delete multiple pages at once. After making your selection, click OK. Then click Yes to confirm the deletion. And that's it. The selected pages are now removed from your PDF file. You can also rearrange pages if needed. Simply click and hold the page you want to move, drag it to the new position, and release it. That is all. The page order will be updated instantly. Once you are done making changes to a PDF, remember to save your file. This method is very useful when you want to clean up a document, remove extra pages, or delete sensitive information before sharing. And since everything works offline, your data remains private and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions below, and share this video with others who work with PDFs.